Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we're going to be looking at some gel polishes that Madame Glam sent over. Thank you, Madame Glam, for sending this for us to check out for February. I'm going to go ahead and stick the swatching footage and photos in right there, I believe. So we're trying something new as far as this intro. I already made the footage, might as well use it. And I think it's actually better than what we typically do, where we just do like little swatches on a wheel. But those are playing, so you should be able to see those. It does include the name of the polish and, you know, a little paint on, a few photos, and one even matte. So this is what we're working with today. We are going to do a nail set as well. Got a hand right here with my little baby nails. They're a little bit shorter than we typically do, but they're the ones that I have, so they're the ones that we're gonna use. And I'm thinking I probably want to work in at least a few of these polishes. I'm not gonna be able to get them all in because there's too many, but I think we can do something cute. So if you are not familiar with Madame Glam, they are vegan, cruelty-free, HEMA-free, palm oil free, I think 21 free, something like that. You do get a good amount of product. These bottles are pretty large and it is a high quality gel. They are quite popular actually. There is a link and a discount code in the description if you want to check those out. But we're gonna do some today, so let's go do some nails. Okay. So I've thought it through and I've come up with a plan of how we're gonna do it. I've got a little nail design in mind. And I think I might be able to incorporate all of these polishes to some degree. Firstly, we're gonna go in with this one and put it down as like our nude. I'll just zoom this in so we can all see real good. Everything was going so well until I just painted all over my finger. If you're painting your nails with gel and you get it on your skin, you need to stop and immediately clean it up. All right, that's looking great. Now we are going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds at minimum. All right, now we're going to go ahead and use this one for the middle finger. I really could have probably done that at the same time as the others, but didn't think of it. I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got those all painted. Now it's time for nail art. I think this one will do, a medium length striping brush, because we're gonna do a couple little Frenches. And we're gonna start with over here. And this color. Okay. Never let it be said that Frenches are easy, because that's not necessarily the case. Ew, see? That one already messed up because the brush slid. Let's try that again. This brush is not very flexible. I think maybe it might be stiff. I might have needed to dip it in some acetone, but I didn't. So, we'll figure it out. I hope my head is not in the way. There we go, yeah. Running it through some acetone has helped flex it up. It was stiff. Pardon me if this is blurry. My watch is in the way. I just had to turn around so I can see. It's a little baby, but I think it's alright. What do you think? Yeah? Let me fix this part. I don't think that's good. I need that to be more pointed up here. Yeah, I think they go up pretty evenly. Let me give that a flash cure. All right, we're gonna do another French and we're gonna use this magnetic. And we're gonna put it on this finger. So let's work on that. keep having it perfect and then I accidentally tap it too much. Pardon. Alright, so I think that looks good. Now we're going to want to do the magnetizing part. I'm going to see about sticking it in here in this velveteen magnet. See if that'll push it all to the top, which it looks like it has, and that's quite cute. But we're going to flash cure that in place as well with this, because I don't want to mess it up. So those are the Frenches that we're going to do, but we're also going to do some hearts, and we're going to use these two magnetics. And so I'm going to use this dotting tool to make the dots, and then I have this little fine detail brush so that we can use that to pull the dots together. And we're just going to kind of do a little bit of all the colors. And of course we are going to velveteen them as well before we cure. So hearts are hypothetically a bit of an easy nail art design because you just put the two dots next to each other and then pull them together at the bottom. So that's simple in theory. Not so bad. It's looking cute already. I think we're gonna also mix some of the blue in as well. I don't mind a little blue hearts too. Having to switch colors on the same brush does make it a little bit more cumbersome, so if you just have multiple out, one for each, it'll make your life a lot easier. But I did not plan for that, so now I'm doing it the hard way. Learn from me. That's pretty cute. I feel like we need to put a little bit of something up here, but I'm like, if I do, will it be too much? I could probably fit like the bottom of one on here. I don't want it to be too crowded. It's like a half a heart. The other part's off the nail. Let's velveteen that. I think that's pushing it up. Yeah, I like it. We're gonna do the same thing over here, but I'm gonna do it off camera so I can just come back here in a sec. Okay, so we've got those finished and cured, and here's this one. They're looking super cute. We do need to go in and top coat them, and I think I'm gonna mattify this one and probably this one, and then the ones with the magnetics will make shiny. I thought about making one of them matte, but I don't think I want to because they're so beautiful. I've got this matte top coat. And then we have the Madame Glam No Wipe top coat for our regular. Alright, so I'm going to stick this in the lamp for 60 seconds and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what we've got. Look how cute that is. I'm going to turn down the light. Look at it. Can you see it better? I think you can. That backlight makes it so bright. Look how sparkly. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. I am going to get you some photos, of course, and I'll go ahead and insert those here. Thank you, Madame Glam, for sending these polishes over for us to try. I really like them. I think they are a beautiful collection, and I think of them as 3 little mini sets because we've got these 2 light pinks that go together, the 2 medium pinks that go together, and then the 2 blues to go together. I think they're a really beautiful combination, and they all work really well together. They are vibrant but pastel. They have the magnetic glitter, and then they have our smooth, creamy, regular colors, which also look great in matte. I think this is perfect for the Valentine season as well as spring, and I think these colors are very versatile and can be used all year round. Again, links in the description to get to Madame Glam. There's also the discount code, and if you want to sign up for their subscription that is a great way to save some money, because what you pay for the subscription just goes right into your bank to spend. Let me know what you think of these nails. What would you have done with these colors? And how could I have improved on the nail set that I did here? If you made it this far, leave me a heart emoji of whichever color you prefer, your favorite color. In fact, leave me a heart emoji of your favorite color. Doesn't have to be one of these, just your favorite color in general. And if you have not joined my channel membership, definitely do check out the levels available and the perks that come with them. If any of that is your vibe, absolutely sign up. I would appreciate it and be happy to have you. We've got some cool exclusive content for members only, so if that's something you're into, I would love to have you there. Definitely make sure you're following my socials. Sometimes I post things over there that I don't necessarily get to post over here. And if you like this video, hit the like button. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. But that's it. Thanks again for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.